Teaching you how to do internal linking for your um, WordPress pages. Now, the first thing we want to do is change this. We want to change these backlinks. I updated it from, so this is the new one I'm using. So I no longer use that because this specifier people can download the app from App Store, Play Store, because there are definitely two type of applications. Either you want the Android or you want the iOS. So I'm going to copy this. Uh, I'll copy it and I will bring it to this screen. So I open it in different tabs. So I'll just slide down. You can have that on a Google Doc or whatever you want. So this is it. I will just save, and this has been saved. Now, this is the first part of our training today. So what we want to do is to properly link internally, right? Every blog post should add at least TV internal linking, and how are we going to do that? You are going to come here. Oh yeah, let's find any words. So first of all, you come to our document, the on-page SEO sheet. So you have seen that a lot of these topics are quite related, like brake pads. They have a lot of brake pads, a lot on whatever. So you want to uh, connect. So there are a lot of blog posts. You can see the link to the various blog posts here. And so we want to connect all your blog posts to anything related to Oye. So I go back to my tab, and here I would come here and find engine Oye. So I want to link this to another blog post. So once I select the engine Oye, I will click this link bar and then find engine Oye. Engine Oye. You can see I'm not looking for tags, not tag. I'm just looking for a blog post. So if you come like this is a tag. We don't want to link to a tag, right? We don't want to link to a tag. Rather, I want to link to a blog post. This is a blog post. There's blog post, there's page. So we want to link to another blog post. So I will link this to, I can link to any of these engine or your posts. So I'm just back. So this is an internal link into another blog post. I will come here, exhaust. I think we should have a lot of blog posts on exhaust. Sorry, I'm going to spell it correctly, exhaust. And so we want to find blog posts that talks about exhaust, how to fix blue exhaust. You see, that's good. Then at least you have done a lot of that, so you can. So we have been able to add like 2 backlinks. So let's try another one. Cooling. So we just find something like warning lights or oil pressure. Let's look at engine, auto engine. So no, I don't want to do auto engine. I like warning lights, so let's check warning lights, and we'll just see any warning light. So let's find anything. I think for me the most related is this OBD trouble code. So I'm just going to put that and bam. So you're going to find related topics and connect. And now save. And then this, so we're going to do this for every single blog. What do you call it? Every single blog post. So if I come here and this is another blog post, right? Okay, let's come here and find one. Head gasket. So I'm gonna search head gasket. Let me come and find. So you can see, is it what to fix an egg asset? What is it cost to fix an egg asset? So, okay, I think this is blog post. Sorry, I went to link the wrong blog post. So let me unlink it. So I think I will unlink this. Let me select it and unlink it and relink it again. I've unlinked it, so let me link it to head gasket. Another blog post. I should not. So you should know the topic so that you should not link it to the same to itself. So this was, here's the head gasket. So now this is another blog post, so it's quite different. So I've linked it to aging overeating. I want to change this to find anything on overeating. So I want to find a blog post on overeating. Please don't select tags. These tags, don't select tag, move to you see post. Car overeating. But before I put car overeating, okay, that's not the topic. So I have to find car overeating and hit it here. Blog post. So you see, this is the second, then move 10 to the next. What? Let's find something. Entire engine. So let's find something about engine. We just put this engine and then. So all blog posts should be linked. So it should be like there is an internal map. So how much does it cost? No, we want to find an engine. A blog post. So I don't know why I'm not seeing blog posts on engine. I have to see blog posts. So if I'm not seeing blog posts on NG, I'll find another words. Temperature, okay. Let's do temperature. You just have to allow it search. Definitely, you need a good network for it to search quickly. Temperature. So we can see a temperature coolant and boom. So you should try to, so I would save. Now, before I save, there's something I want to show you, right? Okay, after saving. So let's move to, now this, for this, you can copy this from another blog, like copy it. Or you can just create a Google Doc. Let's say we just do Google Doc. You know how to make a Google Doc now. So you can create a Google Doc and just create one new and copy this stuff, this part. Just see. If you paste it on Google Doc, it's going to say like this. You can copy from this Google Doc to any of your pages and replace that. Now let's go to something I want to show you. Let's save before we leave. So let's go to the list of blog posts, right? Now, yeah, it's very important to categorize. If you look at this, it's all under non-category. So we don't want all this stuff. We want them to be under the same category, right? So we are going to do quick edit. So yeah, now what are we going to do? First thing we need to do is to create categories. We need to add various categories and add this category, one category, we have to delete them and add categories. So let's go to post categories. So we're going to add, in fact, I want to delete these categories. Category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. So I'm going to delete all of them. Delete them. So now look at our document. Look at the category we have: brake, car battery, transmission. These are the categories we have. So that's under this column. Sorry, this column. These are the category: brake, car, whatever. So we want to work on those categories, and we are going to create those categories now. I think these categories, I'm just going to delete every other category apart from uncategorized. We just delete. You can't delete uncategorized because that shows that there's no category. So what category do we have? We have brake. Campus log, brake. No parent category description. So AI, you can ask AI. So give a category. Let me make it full screen. So give a category description for the following categories for ask a mechanic website by Asura Automotive WordPress blog. 1 break. So we're going to move like that to first reason so that you don't crack your brain. The next category is what? Brake, tire, car battery, engine. Brake, tire, car battery, engine, transmission, electrical fuel pump. I think we have suspension. Okay. Engine, car battery, tire, fuel pump, electrical, notice again, suspension, which am I missing? Transmission. So it's going to give me a short transmission, something like this. So I'm going to copy brake. So brake is brake. So let's go to these categories. So I'm just going to paste Ctrl V. Wetin dey happen now? Ctrl C. Wetin dey happen? Okay. So this is for brake. Add category. Brake. Then another one is what? The next is engine. So the slug, I'm going to also add the engine. Now, I'll just quickly do all of these and car battery. Although I'm not supposed to add this to the call, but just trying to like give you stuff. So the same car battery. So yeah, we have the next, which is tire, and what am I spelling? So what else do we have? We have fuel pump, fuel pump. I didn't know this video would be this long. Uh, then what other aspects do we have? Electrical. So I'm just going to put auto electrical. Auto electrical. Just put electrical. Paste. Then we have suspension, and the last part, which is transmission. So suspension, the last part is transmission. So now we have all our categories when aligned. So let me go to my blog post or blog post, and what are you going to do now? Please don't click trash, just quick edit. Then just select the what do tires rotation do. Please, if you go to the blog post, you're going to see the category. Please remove this on categorize and just check only the tire and you update. So you see it's under tire. So I'm going to do the next quick edit. So I'm going to do for all of them. Now this is under transmission, right? But you can get, if you don't know the category to which they fall in, you can find the blog topic here, and then check and you can do that. So, and I will update. So how do you know the blog topic? If you look at the name of the person who did it, it can give you where to easily check so that you know. So this under transmission. So I also do this edit, and who do we have here? This transmission also, so it's very easy. So I'm going to uncheck or uncategorize. So with that, I've done a lot. And so when you now look at the blog post like this, when you view, you can see I've sorted out this last part. I've corrected it, and I will do the internal linking and transmission. So I have to do the internal linking here. The name of this blog post is what does tire rotation to the back? So I have to find some stuff like tires, and I find things on tires, blog posts on tires, the links. How should you change your tires? Cool. So I'll bring that. So we want to move to another part that talks about, let's check vibrations and noise while driving. So we'll find vibrations, vibration. So look at this, how to fit stereo in vibration. Then you just find another one, and steering wheel. Okay, we could have put that, and let's move to the next. Inflation. So we'll go to tire inflation. Let's find inflation. I think there's a blog post on inflation. So if you come across a lot of these blog posts, so you can know when you search, you're gonna see how to use a tire inflator. Okay. So I've saved and we are good to go. Now we can now view the blog post, and so we can now view the blog post, and if you look nice and cool. So that's that. So when on the blog post we have linked it properly, you can see the link here. When you move, you can see the link here, and if you click this link, it's going to take you to the other blog post. So those are what we'll be doing today, and thank you for your time.